I'm sure everyone is familiar with the benefits of toner to cleanse, refresh, moisturize, and balance the skin's pH. Toner can also assist in the removal of makeup and often formulated with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration and to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Today we are making our own natural steam distilled toner in a mulling fashion through a Copper Alembic, a form of reverse evaporation. Formulating hydrosols are somewhat of an art. Gently steam distilled waters of fresh or dried herbs and flowers through the process of saturation using the Copper Alembic. Simmering Spice Hydrosol is a crisp hydrosol water. The heated water vapors rise up from the pot while grasping condensed liquid and natural aromas at its purest form. Hydrosols do not require fragrance or essential oils. They are purely scented with the aroma of your own recipe of herbs, leaves, and flowers. Now don't you go anywhere because I'm getting ready to make a recipe with sweet red apples, orange core and rind, sliced ginger, cinnamon sticks, warm and woodsy tones of clove, and I love clove, star anise, and cardamom. I've also handpicked and dried West Indian bay leaves from our own trees, highly spiced with toasty notes. We'll add a little aloe and glycerin for skin softening moisture, and we have ourselves a natural toner.